Hello friends and family, this is REIDEA with Unique by REIDEA. This video is going to be a video of me decorating my hearth room. I originally was going to use purple and aubergine, but opted to go with just neutral colors, gray, beige, and taupe. But I did use a little pop of orange on my fireplace. So I'm going to show you how I did my fireplace as well as decorate the space. So please stay tuned. Here I just added the centerpiece. Now I'm going to fluff out the greenery and make my adjustments. Now I'm adding candlesticks to draw your eyes above the TV area. This little vase floral arrangement I got from Target. Now I'm going to add some candlesticks to add some additional height to the fireplace. I'm just adding the bronze colored pumpkins to add some more color. Now this is where the real color comes in. I'm adding those pumpkins that I purchased from Michael's. It has our last name spelled out. Thought it would be something kind of whimsical for the space. Now these pumpkin sticks were orange. I just spray painted them silver with a little black and brown to add a different color. I'll just add a couple to each side. I'm going to add a couple more pumpkin sticks. I also spray painted them. All right, a little more fluffing and adjusting, and we are all done with the fireplace. Go ahead and get started with decorating the cocktail table. So everything on the table I already had except the pumpkins and the floral picks. You'll see me insert into the vase, as well as the candle. I purchased that from Thomas Ferrier. I will put the link to that candle in the comment section. All right, I'm going to go ahead and lay out the rest of the space, so please enjoy the video and watch to the end. Thanks for watching. You're wondering about the pictures on my television. I just searched for landscape art, and this was the video that came up. It was like a 6-minute video, so I just kept it on repeat just so you can have a visual of landscape and autumn in the background. Oh yeah, this little thing is a lighter. It's a USB lighter. I got it from Amazon. It's used to light candles and maybe something a little smaller too, but it's perfect for candles, and it was like $14, I believe. And USB, which means rechargeable. All right, friends and family, we are approaching the end of the video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already and you like videos like these, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification on so you'll be the first to know when I post my videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.